We got this awesome aquascaping toolkit. Let's do it!
We got this awesome aquascaping toolkit. You get a nice carrying bag, and here are your tools. You get a nice sand flattener there. It's good for setting up. You also get some nice angled grippers there, and then you also get some straight grippers there as well. And you also get some awesome curved scissors here, good for cutting plants and trimming them as well. And I need to clean my aquarium, so I like using the straight grippers here and just kind of swirling around any algae I neglected this tank for a little while, but it kind of makes it easier to get a grip of the algae for me. And I just like to swirl in hard to reach spots because it's kind of really caked on some of the rocks in my aquarium here. And then what I like to do is just try to siphon out any loose algae that I have in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and use those scissors and go ahead and start trimming my pothos plant, which is not my pothos. This is my peace lily. I have pothos on another aquarium, but this is pretty awesome. And I'm just cleaning the glass with a nice glass cleaner. And here it is. Still needs some more work, but overall I definitely would recommend.